Hey guys, this is Zephyrus with Dev Dungeon, and today I'll be going over how to run chatty-cathy yourself on your machine locally. So, the first steps you want to take is go to command prompt, type in pip install cathy. In my case, I already installed her, so she's already there. Now we gotta go to her folder where the packages are at, Python packages. I got it saved in my notepad already, so just change the username here to your desktop or computer, and it's in your app data local programs Python version in your site packages, and that's where she's at. So go down the list of your packages and find Cathy, and click here, not this one, but this one, without the info. So we got that here, so just go ahead and copy and paste this directory path, open your editor up, and add a project folder, and select folder, and there we go. She's now in our IDE. So now the next step is to create environment folder or file. This is called env.env. Copy what I have here. Discord token equals your token for your bot. Discord channel equals the channel that you want to use for her. In my case, it's ops2. And make sure to call it database SQLite3. This is where a lot of people get messed up at, is the database. So let's copy these three things in there. Save the file. And now the next step is to go ahead and run her. So open up command prompt and just type in Cathy. So if you got all this, that means you did it correctly, and she's now online in our Discord server. And there she is, she's online. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Just make sure to name the file, like in this environment file, the Discord channel will be ops2. It can be general, it can be anything. Just make sure it matches what you have here in your Discord. So if this is called ops2, then this channel that she'll use will be ops2 in the environment folder. This token will be regenerated, so let me try to use it. For any more questions and concerns, head over to the official Discord server for chatty-cathy and get some help by the moderators here, or NanoDano himself, who created Cathy. And be sure to read the documentation. That really helps a lot. And just check out the description, and all links will be there to the Discord server, to his website, to his GitHub, and chatty-cathy documentation. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you.